Today I show you a duvet that I got from IKEA. I bought this. I can't pronounce the name. It's 240 by 220 and it's 90% duck down and 10% duck feathers, and it's 100% cotton for the outside, so that's pretty good. Usually the cheaper ones, they have more feathers, less duck down.
Oh, nice. Smell test. Doesn't smell like anything synthetic.
The duvet is tightly packed, so you have to air it a little bit.
It has a nice wall here.
It's a good idea to air this quilt and pillows in general, anything that's made with feathers. And when you air it, it's really good to shake it a little bit.
Super fluffy. Fluffy and soft. Nice.